Currently, the Bitcoin dollar, that's the BTC USD, is trading at $105,000 right now, currently as we speak. So, and I'm waiting for the price to pull back to $104,000, then we'll get in on a buy. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the BTC USD, that's the BTC paired with the dollar. I'm going to break it down for you step by step, how you will understand what next I'm expecting. So that's what I'm here to do in this video. I'm going to break it down in the simplest form which you understand and we all can relate to and know what next the Bitcoin dollar is going to do. So the Bitcoin is bullish right now. We are bullish on Bitcoin. There is a lot of buys, more to the sells. So $105,000, that's a lot, guys. I'll show you why I'm waiting for the price to drop to $104,000 before I get in on a buy. And I already have my zone marked out. It taps in my zone, so I'm waiting for my confirmation. It has given me a confirmation on my particular zone. That's a confirmation for a buy. Now I'm waiting for a confirmation for entry. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm on the lower time frame right now. That's on the 15-minute time frame, and I'm waiting for a buy. Just the confirmation. So I'm going to give you the breakdown of how I get to know or how I get to see the market in this video. That's what I'm here to do. Stick with me here and let's see how it goes. If you have been following for a while, you see how I try to put things to the lowest term which we all can relate to. So let's go and check out what we have on the Bitcoin USD.
I have my zone here already, so I'm going to show you all that it is here. This is the BTC USD.
So what we should do here now, we're going to determine the trend on the BTC USD. That's we're going on the 4-hour time frame. So let's start from the 4-hour time frame and determine the trend on the 4-hour time frame. So going to the 4-hour time frame, let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. Are we making series of higher highs and higher lows, or are we making series of lower highs and lower lows? So that's the first way to determine our trend here in the market. So let's see.
So let's mark out the last low here. We're marking out the last low. This is our low here right now on the Bitcoin, and we are marking out this point. This is a breakout structure right here. So this low is not taken out yet. This low that led to this high, let me show to you. This low here that led to this high is not taken out yet. So this low is still valid. This is our protected low. So whenever this low is taken out right here, so let's say the market will go and come back to take out this low. So this is a change of character. So we have changed the trend. Once we see this happen, all we are going to do now is to sell once we see this happens. So right now this haven't happened, so the trend is still valid. And we also have another one here. This is the low also that led to, so let's get done with this first one withdraw, so we'll get confused. And this first one will start from taking our fib to determine our buy point in the market, so our point of interest. So looking up to our point of interest in the market, where should be our point of interest? So this zone is going to be our point of interest in the market once we are about to buy. So this fib zone, my fib zone here, this is my point of interest. So so the price pushing down to tap to the point of interest here. So to tap into the point of interest, you can see what's happened. We had a push to the upside. So having this push to the upside is giving us confirmation that yes, this zone is a valid point of interest. So these are break-off structure. I'll name it here, and these are protected low. Right now, this is the high. It hasn't been taken out, so once this high is taken out right now, we are going bullish more. So then once this high is taken out, then there is more presence of bulls in the market. So that's the first one, and we can see that same zone. If we can extend it, we'll see that the same zone is up to this side. So you can see the same zone. Since this zone, this low is not taken out, yet, it means this zone is still valid for a buy. Is a support zone. So this zone is a strong support zone. So that's what it is there. And this also, we can get here. We can go on the lower time frame now and determine a buy. So on the higher time frame, this is the higher time frame. We can't get the higher time frame, so we can get our buys from the higher time frame. So we can see once it taps in here, we can see there is a weak rejection. There's a weak rejection over there. It's showing us presence of bulls over there. So that's a strong zone. Is a strong demand zone. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going on the lower time frame. So the 1 hour time frame is telling me same. So I'm going on the 15-minute time frame. Going on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to see again what happened there. I'm going to do the same to the lower time frame. What occurred on the higher time frame, I'm going to do same on the lower time frame. So we are going to call here right now on this protected low on this lower time frame. So we are going to name here as our protected low, the same way we name the higher time frame. So we are going to do the same thing. So if it should tap in back there, so this is the low also here. This is the low. This is the low that led to this high here. So it hasn't been taken out. All I'm going to do right now is to take my fib from this zone to this protected low. So what am I waiting to see right now? This is what I'm waiting to see. I'm going to change the color so you can see it clear. So this is what I'm waiting to see. I see a tap back to this zone, then we buy, and as we can see, the price is coming very close to the zone. So once you see this zone, our buys should be activated. So we are going to the new high. So we are taking it to the new high here. So this is what I'm anticipating on the US dollar, on the BTC USD. This is what I'm anticipating. Once I see this taps in again to this point, I'm going on a buy. I've been waiting for this zone, so I'm here to share with you what I'm waiting for to see before I go in on a buy on the BTC USD. So this is the analysis and the breakdown of the BTC USD. Let's see how everything goes, and if it goes to our direction, if we should tap in here and buy and it goes to our direction, then we make profit. It means the buyers are active, and if it doesn't, it means the buyers are not active. So wait for the next trade. So this is just a brief analysis and quick review on the BTC USD. I'll catch you in my next video. Stay safe.